Feeling drained? Here's a powerful herbal infusion to strengthen your body and energize your mind, all with ingredients you might already have. Let's start with banana peel, rich in potassium for relaxation and better sleep. Next, cloves, a powerhouse for supporting immunity and fighting inflammation. We'll also use Ceylon cinnamon sticks to help balance blood sugar and improve blood flow. And finally, bay leaves, known for supporting liver and pancreas cleansing. Now let's bring it all together. Put your banana peel and cloves into a pot of boiling water. Add the Ceylon cinnamon sticks and the bay leaves. Let this beautiful mixture boil for about 13 minutes, stirring gently. The aroma is just incredible. Once it's done, simply strain the infusion into your favorite cup. You can enjoy 1 cup per day, either in the morning on an empty stomach for a boost, or in the evening for a calming effect. It's natural wellness in a daily cup. Cheers to your health!